In this tutorial, I'm going to be explaining how a user can locate the add-ons feature found in the web version of Outlook and add on the Google Meet add-on, which will enable the user to create a Google Meet and send it to their participants via email. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, lower left corner, you're going to click on Calendar. When you click on Calendar, after it refreshes up in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click on the Settings icon. You're going to scroll down to View All Outlook Settings, and then you're going to click on Customize Actions. Now you're going to go ahead and make sure that Get Add-ins is checked. Once you select it, you're going to click the Save button. Once that you have clicked Save, you're going to click the X to get out, and then you're going to return back to the mail view. Once you have returned back to the mail view, you're going to click on the New Message button. And once the message appears on the right, you're going to click on the three dots located at the very bottom of the email. From here, you're going to click on Get Add-ons. And then you are going to search for Google. Once you search for Google, Google Meet add-in should appear. You're going to click on the Add button, hit Continue, and you are going to be prompted possibly to sign in. If you are, go ahead and put in your Fort Worth ISD credentials. I'm going to go ahead and X out. Going to go ahead and X out again. And then now I'm going to go ahead and get ready to send my message. Now, you'll notice down here at the bottom, I now have an icon for Google Meet. So if I wanted to send this to a participant and I wanted to schedule a Google Meet to include in this email, all I need to do is click on this icon here and add a meeting. And it will automatically create a Google Meet meeting for this participant for me to send this to this participant. And that's all that I need to do. Now, if I want to schedule this, I will need to do this through my calendar. So if I come back over to my calendar option, I go to New Event. When I'm inside New Event, I add my title, I add everything, and then I'm going to choose Add an Online Meeting. When I drop down, actually rewind on that. Instead, when I'm ready to schedule my meeting, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Google Meet icon, which is located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. When I click on Google Meet, I click on Add a Meeting, and it's automatically going to add that meeting, and then I can schedule and do my invitees here. When I schedule this and I invite my attendees, they will receive a calendar invite that will include this Google Meet.